What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to turn any photo into a cartoon on Canva PC. Firstly, what you want to do is to bring your picture that we want to cartoon it. Then what you want to do is to go to apps, and from here you're going to search Cartoonify. Then as you can see it's right here, and we're going to click on it. Then you're going to click on open. And from here, what you want to do is either you're going to choose a file from your files, or you can select it by clicking on it. Then the next step is to click on Cartoonify image. And now what we want to do is to wait for it to render. As you can see, our picture is ready, so now what we can do is either we can add it to design, or we can start over, or we can generate again if we are not happy with the results. For me it's okay, so I'm going to click on add to design. And as simple as this, you just turned a photo into a cartoon on Canva PC. So guys, this was the tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.